Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope everybody's fine, all is well. Today is a snowy day and that's crazy. Let me show you guys what's going on. Look at that snow. Everyone is staying home right now. You can't even drive more than 5 miles per hour because the roads are so slippery. Wow, what a change. Yesterday it was down south in Florida, it was 85 Fahrenheit, and today back to New York City. Oh my god, foot of snow, maybe more than that. Driving back from my work, we closed early today because of this crazy snow. And it looks like nobody beside me and a couple more cars. They shut all the highways down, the subways, the bridges, everything. They are closed most of the major highway, and they recommend everybody to stay home today. And if you don't have to go outside, just stay home, and you're gonna be safe. Yep, I guess safe. Stay home and you're gonna be safe. You don't have to drive if you don't have to. And the snow will stay with us till tomorrow. They expect around 2 feet of snow in the city. Up in the island here, probably over a foot. I'll show you guys a little more once I get closer to my house. So far, everything is quiet. We should stay over there another day yesterday, maybe 2 more days. In Orlando, we wasn't expecting that when it was coming back. Even last night was not that bad. This morning, it's getting worse and worse now. It's very difficult to drive. I have my four-wheel drive on right now. It's better to keep distance while you're driving. Don't get closer to the car because whenever you press the brake, the car won't stop. The wind is 35 to 40 miles per hour as well. And that's the bad part. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the view. And most of the people, they might gonna come outside later on. Probably they're gonna go play in the snow if things get a little bit better. Okay, so far we have almost about 10 inches of snow, but we expect to get about a foot or more. This morning I went to work and decided to close early. First of all, nobody was there, and it's not safe to stay there because there was about an hour ago they said they're gonna stop to close all the highways, shut everything down for the snowplow to clean everything for tomorrow morning, I believe. But we need that snow once a while, especially it's February. We don't have that kind of winter from last 5-6 years. And some people they like the winter, but I'm not a winter person. I always like summer. I like to go outside on the beach. I don't like to play in the snow. Wow, it's very hard to drive. Look at that, the truck is all over, going left and right. 5 miles per hour. And now you gotta go home and clean the sidewalk like that, like this gentleman is doing right now. Look at that. Otherwise, if the snow freeze, it's gonna be a lot harder than clean tomorrow morning. So let's see. Main roads, I think they cleaned the plow truck already passed, but like the small streets like here, looks like they've never been here. That's why there's still a lot of snow. Good thing that I have a 4-wheel drive, so I have no issue. That's why I like the Jeep. Doesn't matter how many feet of snow, still you can depend on the Jeep. You know that once you put in a 4-wheel drive, you're gonna be out of there. Look at that. Hope things end soon, and you guys take care of yourself, and I'll see you guys later on. You're good. Bye. Look at that. I cannot even get inside my garage. Look at this. How am I going to do it? Oh my